This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. Satellite beach beauty, picturesque of our East Coast lifestyle, screened-in pool, privacy fence, low-maintenance yard, winner of Indian River Lagoon Friendly Award and solar-powered home. Corner lot with exquisite palms and landscaping, fully fenced, painted textured driveway, only 2 short blocks in from the ocean. Roof 2017, solar panels 2018, AC 2022, water heater 2023, exterior painted 2023, new AC ducts and vents 2021, quartz counters in kitchen and primary bath. All kitchen appliances only 3 years old. Mexican Saltillo tile in majority of the house, LVT in primary bedroom, carpet in formal living room and 2 guest bedrooms. This place has substantial square footage for living area as the kitchen is surrounded by the common areas. Bright and welcoming at the front with 4 fixed glass-looking windows in the formal living room. Extra square footage due to the rear porch being enclosed in under air, surrounded in glass, yet surprisingly warm and cozy while overlooking the pool. Satellite Beach is most centrally located on the east coast of Brevard County, 23 miles to the Sebastian Inlet, 34 miles to the Space Center. Very near grocers, gyms, restaurants, shops and grade A schools. On the barrier island where every day is paradise. Come fall in love with your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308